Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to change hair color in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the Quick Selection tool in the left menu and then hit Select Subject. Use the plus-minus brushes from the top menu to select the hair by removing the face and the body. Use the square bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Next, click on Select and Mask button from the top menu and then select the Refine Hair button to refine the hair selection even further. You can also use the Refine Edge brush tool to do it manually. Click OK when you are happy with your current selection. Next, click on the Add Layer Mask button and then hold the Alt or Option key and click on the Layer Mask thumbnail. Now select the Brush tool from the left menu and change the mode to Soft Light. With the foreground color set to black and the flow percent set to 5, paint over the fuzzy white areas to clean up the selection. Since we are using the Soft Light blend mode, it will protect the dark white areas. Remember, white reveals and black conceals. Next, I'm going to create a new group and add 3 adjustment layers: Selective Color, Hue Saturation, and Color Balance. Now I'm going to hold the Alt or Option key and drag my layer mask from the background copy layer to the Group 1 layer. Let's remove the layer mask from the background copy layer because we don't need it anymore. To change the hair color, start by clicking on the thumbnail for Selective Color and then select yellow from the drop-down. Now play around with the cyan, magenta, yellow, and black sliders to find a color that you like. Next, select the Hue/Saturation thumbnail and play around with the Hue, Saturation, and Lightness sliders. For the color balance adjustment, play with the cyan, magenta, and yellow sliders for midtones, shadows, and highlights. Once done, zoom into your image to see if anything looks off. If you notice carefully, you'll see some of the hair strands were not colored because they were not part of the selection. With the layer mask selected, click on the brush tool from the left menu and change the mode to normal. Before you paint over these strands, make sure to change the foreground color to white. When you're painting over strands with skin in the background, make sure to use a very low flow percent. If you accidentally paint over the skin, you can always flip the foreground color back to black to remove it. And that should do it. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.